Hello everybody, it's Dr. Wajihun Najar, Group 3A, Estarsa, OS State University, International Medical Faculty. Welcome the video of the malaria. Malaria is caused by single cell microorganisms of Plasmodium group. The disease is most commonly spread by an infected female Anopheles mosquito. The disease is widespread in the tropical and subtropical regions that exist in a broad band around the equator.
Facility of malaria. Malaria is a mosquito-borne infectious disease that affects humans and other animals. This disease commonly spreads through infected female Anopheles mosquito, which is single-cell microorganism of the apicomplexan parasite in the genus Plasmodium.
I am explaining mode of transmission of malaria. Vector transmissions. Malaria is transmitted by bite of infected female Anopheles mosquito. A infected vector during her lifetime may infect several persons. Direct transmissions. Malaria may be induced by accidental blood transfusions, needle sharing drugs abusers, and congenital. Congenital transmission, infected mother to her child.
Asexual life cycle of malaria. Malaria is caused by female Anopheles mosquito which transmit the sporozoites in human hepatocytes. Hepatocytes makes the merozoites and release into the blood circulation, and merozoites affect the RBC and it replicates in RBC, and after replication it bursts, RBC is burst and release the hemotoxin and trophozoites. Trophozoites affect the other RBC and asexual cycle continues, and hemojoins cause the symptoms of malaria in this condition.
In sexual life cycle of malaria, some merozoites it's develop the gametocytes, and mosquito it's take the gametocytes during the blood meal, and gametocytes it's make the mature gamete, and mature gamete it's fuse with together, and then it's make the zygote, and more zygote mature, it's known as the ookinete, and ookinete it's migrate and then migrate, and it's make the oocytes, and oocytes it's produce more and more sporozoites, and after produce sporozoites it's rupture, and then sporozoites it's migrate through the saliva, and then it's affect
of severe malaria. Most common complication of malaria is anemia, pancytopenia, complication related to the CNS, that's the cerebral malaria, complication related to the renal, that's the black water fever and the acute renal failure, complication related to the respiratory system, that's the ARDS, and the non-cardiogenic pulmonary edema. Related to the metabolic complication, that's the hypoglycemia and the metabolic acidosis. When we will talk about the GIT and the liver, then the complication are the diarrhea, jaundice, and the splenic rupture. And there are some also miscellaneous complications, that's the hypotensive shock and the hyperpyrexia.
Neurological manifestations usually caused by malarial falciparum. It causes neurological manifestations such as seizures, agitations, psychosis, neurological sequel of malarial polyneuritis, Guillain-Barré syndrome, malaria induced by reticuloneuritis, and postural hypotension is common in exacerbated by phenylalanine anti-malarial drugs.
Malaria symptoms occur in 10 days to 4th week. In some cases, several cases may not occur in some month, but more common symptoms is chill, sweating, high fever, nausea, vomiting, stool bleeding.
Talking about the onset of the malaria, there is a usually 10 to 15 days of the onset of malaria, which can be after post exposure of the malarial parasites. In this, there is a classical paroxysm occurs for 1 to 2 hours. In this, there is a chills, shivering, and followed by the high grade fever. And another, there is a 5 parasites, which is Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, and oval, having the tertiary fever, which means 48 hours. And another one is a Plasmodium malariae. There is a 72 hours of fever.
of malaria, first we do blood smear examination. In blood smear examination, we do the thick smear and thin smear. In thick smear, we know the prevalence of parasite, and in thin smear, we know the specification. Second test is Buffy coat examination. In Buffy coat examination, one chemical is used which is called acridine orange. Then we using fluorescent microscopy. Then third is the culture of the blood. Fourth is the malaria card test. In malaria card test, there is two types. First is the HRP2 based kit, in which we mainly use mainly C Plasmodium falciparum, and second is LDH, in which we see another Plasmodium. And next is PCR. That's it.
Prevention of malaria is currently based on two complement method. First, chemoprophylaxis, and second, protection against mosquito bite. And national improvement of health and hygiene. Use mosquito net, treat with the pyrethrin. Use of mosquito repellent, and close door and window in the evening. And a cloth with sleeve and long trouser. Young children and pregnant women should avoid traveling to area.
Death by the malaria. According to WHO, in 2018, approximately 2.7 million people are infected in new cases, and approximately 405,000 people are dead due to the malaria in 2018. Mainly affect the children who below the age of 5 years,